Hey everybody, in this lead magnet tutorial, we're going to be showing you how to create a lead magnet quickly, easily, and for free using some amazing hacks and tools.
Our aim here is to help you create a beautiful lead magnet as quickly as possible so you can spend more time promoting it and selling.
And specifically in this video, we are covering ebooks and PDFs as lead magnets. So you can create amazing ebooks like this.
This is in fact one of ours, and in the description below we have put a link to that template so you can just go and use it completely for free. We're not even asking you for an email address. And we've put a link to a few other videos and playlists that will help you with your lead magnet creation.
But keep watching this video because first we're going to be showing you how to actually capture all the content you need for your lead magnet really super quick and easily. Then we're going to go into how to design it nice and beautiful and what tools to use and how to get your hands on them.
Let's do this! First problem you're going to have when creating your lead magnet is pulling together all the content as quickly and painlessly as possible.
By the way, if you're still struggling for lead magnet ideas that are awesome, then make sure after this video you check out our other video all about lead magnet ideas that are the best and most profitable. There's a link in the description below to go check that out after this video. Anyway, Andrew, hit it. Let's go.
So gathering the content, remember your ebook does not need to be a 50,000 word thesis. It could just be a short checklist, a report, or even a template. In fact, don't think bigger means better. The best lead magnets solve a specific problem. And if you can solve that problem faster in less words, then even better. Well done and not laughing at bigger doesn't mean better, Pete.
Yeah, that 5
5
minutes was cut out. So with that in mind, before we go into the actual designing tools, here's 3 ways to quickly capture all your content and get it together ready. Number 1, think about what content you already have ready to go. Maybe your lead magnet is just a compilation of your best blogs or your best videos or podcasts or even just some notes on your phone that you can quickly whiz up and shazoop up to make an awesome lead magnet.
Shaboos up?
What's the word?
I know, you made that one up.
I like it. Or maybe you could just convert a document that you already have into a template that other people can benefit from.
And when you say convert, do you mean Kavlusa?
Yeah, no. Shazam up.
Shazam.
What's the word? There's a word.
2, can you use Google Docs' voice dictation feature to just speak out your lead magnet? We love using this. It's super quick.
And it also recognizes the word Shazam. Number 3, could you actually just record yourself talking through something that you feel really passionate about, or take one of your audio files and then get that captioned and transcribed using something like Quick or Rev.com. These tools will quickly transcribe your audio for less than around $2 a minute, making it super easy and quick to get those words out.
Alright, now you have the content, it's time to get it designed up. We're going to show you 2 free tools and a paid for tool that kicks ass that also has a free trial. The first tool is Google Slides. This is a completely underutilized tool for lead magnet creation. No one really talks about this or promotes using this, but honestly guys, when we first started growing our list, we created all of our lead magnets in Google Slides.
But that's how we made this PDF here. We actually just use Google Slides. It's completely free, it's really easy to use and really quick. So you can go in, make a kick-ass PDF, and then download it as a PDF, and you can use that as your lead magnet. In the description below, you can even use one of the templates that we've made for you for lead magnets specifically. So all you need to do is go click on that link in the description and swipe it and just put in your own words and stuff, and it's all yours. In the template as well, we've dropped in this specific ebook design as well, so you can use that as well. All you need to do is just change the text, the color, the font, and pop your logo on there. Also remember to put in that final call to action at the end, because after all, this is a lead magnet. It's here to hopefully get you some more sales.
The second tool is Canva. It's a free design tool that can be used for almost any design.
Your voice went really high.
It really did. I do love Canva. It has a ton of templates built into Canva that you can use just off the shelf. We also have our own ebook style templates that you can get access to. There's a link in the description to those as well. In fact, there's tons and tons and tons of different resources in the description on this video. So if you use one, we'd really appreciate a thumbs up and a comment on this video.
Thank you.
Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like a more in-depth tutorial on using Canva and doing some creative stuff with Canva, and we'll create that for you.
The third tool that we want to mention today is really, really amazing. It's called Designer, and it's actually a paid-for tool, but if you go to the description, there is a link to a 7-day trial. So you can make your first lead magnet, and if you like it, you can continue at $29 a month. The cool thing about Designer, and the reason we want to mention it to you even though it's paid, is because it does all the hard work for you, which saves you a ton of time so you can make more money in that time. So basically, all it does is takes your words, takes your text, you upload that, and it does all the hard work. It makes it into a super awesome PDF straight away. If you want to get your lead magnets done in the quickest possible way while still maintaining that professional quality, then Designer is probably your best tool.
Now, once you've created your lead magnet, you're going to want to create a landing page so people can give you their email in return for your lead magnet. We're not going to give you just one way to do this or 2 ways. We're going to give you 3 ways to do this. The first way to do this is you can just create a brand new page on your website. Now, with landing pages, we don't want to have the header and we don't want to have the footer displaying because we don't want to be distracting people with different places they can click. So however you've built your website, you just want to make sure you know how to disable that header and that footer. We use WordPress and it's really easy just to toggle the header and footer on or off.
The second thing you can use is one of your email service providers. So if you have something like MailChimp or ConvertKit or Aweber or whatever it is, they usually have a inbuilt landing page software within. So you can just use that. Sometimes they're a little bit limited, a little bit basic, but landing pages only need to be basic anyway, so it's absolutely fine.
And thirdly, you can use a specific tool that is made for building landing pages. One of the most popular ones is Leadpages. They usually do have a cost to using them. However, they do a ton of cool stuff as well. Like you can do split testing, you can do reporting. They usually have a ton of different templates that you can use for different types of landing pages and different types of lead magnets. So even though there are usually a cost to using tools like Leadpages, potentially it is worth it.
If you'd like more information about how to set up your landing pages, how to get better conversions on your landing pages, and how to promote those landing pages, then let us know in the comments. And again, we'd love to make a video on what you guys really need and what you guys really want.
We'd love to know in the comments if this was helpful too. Please do ask us any questions in there and we will jump in and help you out. Also, do watch the other videos that are listed in the description. We've got some cool videos down there, including how to create a 3D book cover for your lead magnet. We've got how to think of lead magnet ideas, and really, really importantly, how to actually get sales once people subscribe to your lead magnet.
That's all for this video. I hope you enjoy all those extra resources, and we'll see you soon.
Thanks guys, I've been Andrew.
I've been Pete.
Bye.
Bye.